Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Claude Code free. Not through hacks, not through cracks account, just a real method using a tool that currently gives new user access to Claude Opus 4.7. And if you wanted to try Claude most powerful model without paying upfront, this method is worth checking out. So the tool I'm talking about is Kiro. It's an AI coding assistant built by Amazon, and right now new accounts can get Kiro Pro free for 1 month. So first what we have to do is just open your browser and search here Kiro and open this first site and then just simply sign up and create the account if you don't not yet sign up. Then just simply sign up and you can sign up with Google, GitHub or Builder ID, but I just simply select here sign up with Google and select my account and sign up is important because this offer is generally for new users. After sign up, you will be taken to the plans page and plan selection page. You will see different plans here, including free and pro. So I just simply choose here Kiro Pro and click on this update to pro. And it show me here $0. So it's mean my free trial is active. So I just simple complete the process by adding here my bank account info. So after
After
successfully done this checkout for adding just a bank number and authenticated, after this what I'll do is we can use the Kiro on the browser as well. So I just simple open this again and we can also download this as well. So I just simple download it for Windows. I just simple click on this sign in again. We can use this on the browser as well, but I just simply wait for this download and let you know how we can access all these Claude Anthropic fastest models through IDE. So here you can see it's downloaded successfully. So I just simply open it and just accept the agreement. Click on next, 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 and install it. And now all set up and just I'll launch it. And now here you can see it's completely look like a ID. And now I just simple sign in with my account. On that I got the free trial access. So I just simply authenticated with that and continue to sign in. Okay, that's great. Success. We successfully log in and I just simple skip it and go with this dark. You can change it later. Okay. So I just simple maximize it and now here you can see it's completely looking like same ID. Okay. Here what I'll do is I just simply minimize all these. Okay. And just simply create here a folder and name this as first project. Okay. Just this. And now I just simple open this folder here and just simply select it. And I just simply click on this trust and open my agent node here. And now and here you should see Claude models available here. You can test it with something practical, generate code, build a project, review files, or give it complex prompt and see how it performs. And honestly, even outside the trial itself, Kiro is interesting if you are into AI coding tools because it combines an ID and experience with AI powered workflow. Okay, so I can select any model here and give it a task, and it will completely do this. And I have all the model access here. And that's it for this video. If you found this useful, consider subscribing. I'll share AI tools, coding workflow, and ways to get more value from these platforms. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.